Okay, so this is the part where it was shut down for a couple years, and hopefully we can still go through it. It should be open, but we're gonna go to Tower Falls and this is my first time taking this route. So let's see what we can see in Yellowstone in this part. I have no idea what's gonna go. I mean, some people say they haven't seen the animals this way, but you can hike up Mount Washburn up here, but I am not doing that. That may be another trip I'm going to do, Washburn, where I'm actually camping in the park for that to happen, so I can get a head start on that one. Just right now, I'm just focused on just driving around the park and seeing what I can see, and going from there. Okay, so right now I'm at Tower Falls. I have to visit here because it wasn't on the menu for a couple years. But I got my decked out 150-year anniversary Yellowstone shirt on. I got to get a new headband from Yellowstone as well, because I look decked out. But this is where Tower Fall is, and that's what I gotta figure out what that is over there. But now, when I looked over here earlier, it was all under the fog. Well, but now it's all cleared up. Like everywhere else, now it's all cleared up right now, and the sun is coming out. It's supposed to be around 77 degrees in the 70s. So that's a good thing. But it seems like people is fishing, so I'm not trying to figure out like where's that going. But there is a general store here, which is weird. I'm gonna go check out, and I don't know if it's open. Is it open? Oh, we'll find out. I don't think it's open. Nope, it is open. It's open. I just think it's weird. It's like, all right, we're gonna put a general store right here. But yeah. Okay, so it says Tower Roosevelt area. I did see elk when I was coming up. It was all the way up in the top of the mountain. Let's see here. Watching in wildlife, 10-year distance. I'm just telling you, what you're supposed to do. They do got bathrooms here. So you're going to Tower Falls, overlook is that way. So I'm going to go into the shop right now. And it says the restrooms are open from 11 a.m. to 3 that day. Well, okay, so they're not open all day. Okay, so I actually thought that shop was going to be like some type of rinky-dink shop, but Yellowstone be supplying their shops up. I mean, especially since this area has not been open for so long. They're like, all right, we're going to stock it up, everything, and that shop looks nice. I might buy something when I come back. But let's go on this little trail. I don't know how long it is. I'm just going at this point. And I might do, I don't know, I'm debating if I want to do Mount Washburn, but we'll see. It towers in the air. Towerfall is a story of two rocks, easily eroded rocks and rocks that are resistant to erosion. Rocks at the brink and underlying the waterfall is hard volcanic rock. Erosion at the base of the falls causes the upstream migration of the fall. Look for the soft, hard rocks in the towers and in the pencils that line Tower Creek. Over the centuries, wind, water eroded soft rock and leaving fantastic shape of hard rock. So the economies of Tower Falls. Underculling by turbulent water creates plunge pool, gradually eroded the overhangs, and then that's what you get. Okay, caution, shall not maintain past this point. Okay, what are we looking at? Wait, how do you get down? Oh, okay, all right. Okay, yeah. Gotta be careful. But it seems like you can get up and down this. That's why I say you gotta wear hiking shoes. Just be careful so you don't fall. Just be careful, take your time, go down slow. Ah, bug. Oh my God. Oh, okay, not that way. I was gonna say, wait a minute. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, gotta run across that. All right, that's a little dangerous, so be careful on that part. Okay, let's go up here. Let's just see. See if there's an easier way than that way. There isn't. It is what it is. And they're pretty much, I think this one's a little bit safer than this way. All right, so let's try this route and go from there. Wish me luck. Okay, that one's a little bit easy, but I have hiking boots on, so I grip the ground a little bit better. So there's that, and people are just losing articles. Hopefully that's one of theirs. Look at this, guys. Oh, that's a little worth it. Come on down. Probably where all the, well, I don't know. It's pretty cool. Apparently you can fish down here, but I don't know how. Where does this go? No trails over here, so I thought it was somewhere, right? You know what? It probably comes from this little part right here. Yeah. It comes from over there, I think. I don't know. It comes down. It's beautiful. Yeah, I would. This is worth it a little bit to come down here. Yeah. It's a little short one. It's a little switchbacks, but it's not that bad. And then I'll see when I go up. We'll see about that. It's not that bad over here. It still smells like sulfur from, I'm not sure if it's coming from this way or it's coming from this way, but you can smell the sulfur around this area. Not sure where it's coming from. I wonder if this was all the trees and all this stuff right here. I wonder if that was caused by the flooding. And all this debris came down. I wonder if that was the cause of it. From the flood. I don't see a house around here, so that ain't funny, but you know. And that's fast moving water, so be careful. But I've seen fishermen out here, so. Yeah, I really wonder if it's from the flood. Okay, just be careful about some of the waters out here. Like I said, I smell like that sulfur, and I don't know if that's actually safe to put your hands in. I wouldn't do it. But if you notice, there's like bubbles coming from underneath it. So it smells like this smells like sulfur to me, which means this could be not great. It could be okay, but I don't think it is. So just be careful when you do come out here, because this doesn't look safe at all. So if you got kids out here, just be careful, mindful when you do come out, because this does not look safe at all. So like I said, I just smell the sulfur, but I don't know where it's all coming from. So just be careful about stuff like this. Okay, so I just finished up that Towers Falls. If you're pressed for time, I would say you can kind of skip it just because where the location is. But if you have time, just come on out on the little path switchbacks. Going down, it was fine. Coming up was a little bit interesting. But I highly recommend that, you do come out here. It's just that it's not good if you're like only have like 2 days in the park. If you have like 2 days in the park, then you can kind of skip Tower Falls. I mean, you can drive past it, but I mean, it's up to you how you want to do it. But it's like a little bit of like it could be a 30-45 minutes, depending on if you're taking pictures and stuff like that. But if you are pressed for time, kind of skip it, because you're going to need all the time you can, especially out here. Especially if you're like you're doing, if it's your first time coming out here, then yeah, you're going to be doing a lot of the South Loop the most, and then kind of venturing up to the North Loop. So I'm just going to give you those little tidbits. Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Coast Sky Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.